English quiz.
Is, am, are. 1. I a student. Answer, I am a student.
2. We going to the park later? Answer, we are going to the park later.
3. This my favorite book. Answer, this is my favorite book.
4. We very excited about the trip. Answer, we are very excited about the trip.
5. She always on time. Answer, she is always on time.
6. The dog black and white. Answer, the dog is black and white.
7. He very tall. Answer, he is very tall.
8. I happy to see you. Answer, I am happy to see you.
9. You my best friend. Answer, you are my best friend.
10. They going to the store. Answer, they are going to the store.
11. The cake delicious. Answer, the cake is delicious.
12. We late for the meeting. Answer, we are late for the meeting.
13. He a doctor. Answer, he is a doctor.
14. The children playing outside. Answer, the children are playing outside.
15. This the best day ever. Answer, this is the best day ever.
16. We tired after the long walk. Answer, we are tired after the long walk.
17. You write about the movie. Answer, you are right about the movie.
18. She confident about her presentation. Answer, she is confident about her presentation.
19. I responsible for organizing the event. Answer, I am responsible for organizing the event. 20. The weather very nice today, so I am going to take a walk in the park with my dog, and we will play fetch. Answer, the weather is very nice today, so I am going to take a walk in the park with my dog, and we will play fetch.